Hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss operators in JavaScript. See, in JavaScript there are different type of concepts. Okay, and today's concept is based on arithmetic operators, logical operators, then relational operators. Fine. So operators are used to do arithmetic and logical operations. Operators that require one operand is called as unary operators, and operators that require two operands are called as binary operators. Okay, let's say operators that require two operands are called binary operators. You can take any example like 12 plus 2 equals 2, right? So 12 is the one operand and 2 is another, right? And there is one operator, that is a arithmetic operator, plus symbol. Fine, for addition. Okay, so 12 and 2, okay, both are numbers. These are operands in JavaScript. Okay, these are called as what? Operands. And when you add any arithmetic symbol, then it's simply called as binary operator, means it require. So that's why operators that require two operands are called as binary operator. Okay, and when you talk about operators that require one operand, it's called as unary operator. For example, a plus plus, okay, or a minus minus. Here a plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1. Okay, and when you talk about a minus minus, then a minus minus means a is equal to a minus 1. Okay, now most of operators can be divided into different groups. Okay, first name is arithmetic type, second is relational, and last is logical operator. Okay, so let's discuss about let's discuss first arithmetic operator in JavaScript. See, arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expression in the same way that way they are used in algebra. So let's say arithmetic operator example. See, there is a sample or you can say a simple structure, okay, sample code, and in that I'm going to add one statement in on title bar, title area, and that is a operators in JavaScript. Fine, because it's a concept, right? This is a concept. Now I'm going to add script tag inside body section, because without script, everyone knows about, without script we cannot handle calculation, we cannot handle dynamic content, right? So script tag is required. Now we all are going to enter into script area with the help of script opening and script close. Okay, within that I'm going to add first of all we have to know about language. Sorry. Okay, equals to JavaScript is a client-side default scripting language. Okay, now here in that I'm going to declare variable a comma b. Okay, and one more is required, c. Okay, now there are three number of variables, and I am going to initialize this value to that individual. A is equal to, let's say a is equal to 2 and semicolon, b is equal to 8. Okay, fine, and after that I'm going to use c is equal to a multiplied by b. Fine, after that I have to give a particular statement, that is a document dot writ. Document dot write is the output statement in JavaScript, right? You can put any tag inside that double quotes, okay? And this is a concatenation symbol, okay? Or you can directly put statement like multiplication two numbers, concatenation operator. And now see, okay, after that we have to complete h1, so close h1, okay. See, it's not difficult, okay. See, this is string, okay. Whatever you put inside double quotes or in single quote, which is treated as a string in JavaScript, fine. Now this is what this symbol is, concatenation symbol, to join, concatenate, okay, two different things. So first of all string and then variable, okay. So both things are here, okay. Now this is a string, this one is a string type, and this is a variable, right, who store number, calculation, okay, who holds calculation result, right. And then concatenation symbol again, and finally string, and in that I'm going to put one closing h1, fine. After that semicolon, because everyone knows about semicolon, that it's a statement termination symbol in JavaScript, okay. So this is a simple program to understand arithmetic operation, okay. So we have to write arithmetic because it's a arithmetic operator, arithmetic operators in JavaScript, fine. Let's save this document. See, arithmetic name is there, arithmetic.html, fine. Let me execute this file. Okay, now JavaScript area operators, and just double click, or you can use Internet Explorer to execute properly. Allow block content and simply click on yes. See, multiplication of two numbers colon 16, because everyone knows 2 multiplied by 8, 2 8s are 16. So this is a result, right? You can say it's a output, okay. Now next thing is what, see a variable store which type of value, 2 value, okay. Now there is another value 8. Now b variable hold which type of value, yes, 8 value, okay, which is already selected, right. 8 value stored by b variable and 2 value stored by a variable, okay. So basically variables are used to reserve or preserve values, okay, store values, store data, temporary small amount of data, right. Now see that this is a another variable, third variable, who hold calculation, okay. Now here in that example, in that code, there are two operands, a is 1 and another one is a b, okay. So that's why there are two operands and one operator, and that operator, see this operator is related to the multiplication symbol, okay, multiplication operator. right? So a multiplied by b means 2 multiplied by 8. Everyone knows there's a 16 result, right? But this 16 result hold by third variable, and that is a c variable, and I am going to pass this variable in that statement, output statement. So that's why it displays such type of output on browser screen. Okay, so this is a simple program to understand how to implement arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Fine. Now next thing is uh, plus operator in JavaScript. Now in that, this plus operator has two meanings: arithmetic addition and string concatenation operator. Okay, see, we already discussed concatenation symbol. Okay, see, this is a this is what concatenation symbol, to join. Concatenate means what? To join, right? Whenever we want to join two different things, two different values. Okay, see, there is a, this is a string value, right? This is what? String value. And this is what? Number value. Fine, result value. But actually, what is the result? 16, right? So 16 is what? Rounded number. So this numbers hold by third, this c variable. Okay, and this again we join string. Okay, let's take another example in same document dot write. In that, now in that, I'm going to put one concatenation operator. Okay, example for concatenation operator. Now here, if I write 15, okay, concatenation symbol equals to hello world. Fine, or simply 2020 hello world. Okay, if I execute this same, then see what happens. Let me save this document. See, 2020 hello world, it interprets on browser. Fine. So see, if I want to make space after 2020, then simply put space. See, this is the number value and this is the string value. Okay, and how to join? Using concatenation operator. Fine, let's see how to make space by giving space, right? And if I execute, then display particular space after that 2020 number. Okay, in this way you displays output to the user. So this is a use of plus operator in JavaScript. Fine. See, let's take another example. Instead of multiplication symbol, if I add addition symbol, okay, then see what happened. Exactly, it displays 10. Okay, see, sorry, and there we have to change, okay, statement, that is a addition of two numbers. Fine, addition of two numbers 10. Okay, see, this will depend upon this operator and operands. Okay, now next thing is assignment operator. This is very interesting. Assignment operator in JavaScript. Fine, assignment operator in script. Now in that, to assign value, okay, it is important to know that assignment operator is not equal not equal to operator. Okay, assignment operator is used to assign value of an expression to a variable. This means that value of an expression of the right hand side is assigned, okay, to the single variable or left hand side. See, to the assignment operator, right? This is called as a assignment operator. See, um, there is a assignment operator, and here arithmetic operation a plus b. Okay, so this calculation stored in that, okay, and this variable name is c. Okay, c hold your output, okay, your calculation result. Okay, so this means that value of an expression on the right hand side is assigned to the single variable on left hand side. Value of variable may change during the next programming instruction. Okay, it's possible to change, okay, in next programming instruction. This will depend upon instruction. So this is about arithmetic operators and use of concatenation, means this plus symbol. Okay, it's a concatenation operator. And now assignment operator in JavaScript using this assign operator, okay, or assignment operator. Fine, hope you understand all these concepts. Hello, and now it's your turn to complete particular program. Okay, okay, so this is for practice purpose. Complete this. So simply write this code into your notebook and happy coding.